on, little guy.
We need a new house, Lisa.
Okay.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Peach, Elsa, Ladybug,
Thank you, Lisa.
Wednesday,
OMG, you look perfect.
Mermaid.
Thank you for watching, my friends. We love you. I'm so hungry. Is there anything to eat here, Lisa?
Today, I will make a 5-colored house for the princesses. Complete the house frame from cardboard and colored paper. I hope you like it. Woo-hoo-hoo! First, we will make the pink room for Princess Peach. Make the bed.
Wow.
Make the cushion. Apply glue. Add cotton on top of the cardboard. Use fabric to cover the cotton and cardboard. Cut off the excess fabric. Make Peach's face with clay. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Cut the clay according to the drawing.
Wow.
So cute! Make the bed's footboard. Amazing! Make a Princess Peach painting. Cut the foam sheet into a square shape. Add the painting on top. Ta-da!
Wow, the bed is so beautiful. I like it.
The pink bedroom for Princess Peach is complete. Next, make the navy blue bedroom for Elsa. Make the bed. Make the cushion. Shape Princess Elsa's face with clay. Make Elsa's hair. So beautiful! Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Cut the clay into a rectangle shape.
Excellent.
bed is so cute. Thank you, Lisa. The navy blue bedroom for Elsa is complete.
Oh, sure. In your dreams and my nightmares.
Next, make the red makeup room for Ladybug. Make the wardrobe.
Wow!
Shape Princess Ladybug's face with clay. Her hair will be made with navy blue clay. Flatten the clay. Cut off the excess clay. So lovely. The handbag and 2 slippers. Make the dressing table. Apply glue. Combine the cardboard pieces. Cover the cardboard with clay. Amazing! Make the mirror. So beautiful! Brush and perfume.
Lisa helped me do my makeup.
What do you see?
So beautiful. Thank you, Lisa.
The red makeup room for Princess Ladybug is complete.
I hope to return the favor in her sleep.
Next, we will make the yellow living room for Wednesday. Shape Wednesday with clay. Use black clay to make the hair. Make the sofa. So lovely.
Lisa, I want to watch TV.
OMG, you look perfect!
You are so good.
The yellow living room for Wednesday is complete. Finally, make the green bathroom for Mermaid. Use red clay to shape Mermaid's face.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music.
Make the
on
crab.
dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a long
Pour water into the pool.
Hi, everyone, come here. Thank you for watching, my friends. We love you. Hooray!
sense when you're
Wonderful!
next to
The
me.
5-colored house for the 5 princesses is complete.
take his bed. It's mine. Elsa's bed is so cold.